2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Day 12. This is day 12. We are flying through these days, which means we're coming up close to May, right? Getting through April. That's awesome. Awesome. I love spring. Okay, so this stitch today is called the mesh stitch. And the mesh stitch is really pretty. And I used like this really wild, crazy colored yarn. But I'm going to stretch it out just so you can kind of see this stitch makeup. This is such an easy stitch, but it does kind of shrink down on you. Like you can really stretch it out. So blocking is probably a good idea with a stitch like this if you want to be able to see the actual mesh. Now I chose this yarn because it makes me think of that story about the fish. You know, the colorful fish? It's called rainbow fish. And it just looked like fish scales to me. So I wanted to do rainbow fish scales because I'm a weirdo. So anyway, this is the mesh stitch. This is a pattern by Mama in a Stitch. This is Mama in a Stitch, and this is her mesh pattern. It's so easy, you guys. It's just chains and slip stitches. It was almost so easy that I kept waiting for it to like get hard, and it just didn't. So that is one mesh stitch. There is another mesh stitch, which is called the offset mesh stitch. There's probably lots of mesh stitches. I'm just showing you two today. This is the offset mesh stitch. And basically, do you see how it kind of zigzags? Hopefully you can see that on the camera. The stitches kind of zigzag because you are really just working back and forth in your rows and you're working into the chain spaces. Okay, so this one, geez, I don't even know if I have a tutorial for this. I don't think so. I don't think I have a link for this one. But it's just chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, and you're just double crocheting into your chain ones spaces. So super, super easy. This is the offset mesh. And again, I love this one because it looks like fish scales. This is Mama in a Stitches mesh stitch pattern. So check those out if you're interested in making a mesh stitch. The nice thing about mesh stitch is it's nice, but it's not too hot. It's not too dense and heavy, right? There's a lot of air flowing through, so it's a comfy one. It's a comfy stitch, especially when it's getting warmer, right? And blankets on your lap and you're trying to stitch. It's nice to have it not so heavy. All right, everybody, I've got a couple more stitches for you, so I'm going to get those videos made and pop them up so that you can see tomorrow the next fabulous binge-worthy stitch. Until then, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.